Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates.
So hello friend, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to bursting the balloon with filling water inside this, and I am going to show you slow motion video of the bursting of the balloon. So I am here using 4 balloon. If there need 5 balloons, so I will take. So let's start. So you can see I am going to filling the first balloon. You can see one I take big one, and the small one remain one I had take small. So now we were going to fill the small balloons. So as you can see, I had filled all the balloons. So let's start. So now 2 balloon is remain, so let's burst them. Guys, this one is also good now, and now this one is remain, which I am going to fall it. So let's fall it. Guys, yellow balloon I had refused to bring it, so now I am going to bring it. Guys, now time to shoot bonus balloon on me, which I already filled with water. So hope you like this video. So like, share, comment, subscribe. We will meet you in our next video.